Hello everyone, CraftyAndy here, and this is Crafty Arts, where we art. Now today, we are summoning a fox demon. Why are we doing that? Well, there are just some tasks that cannot be completed by a mortal human being. So we turn to the dark arts, as any reasonable person would. That's what we're going to do today. There are some requirements that we have to meet first. We have to get some materials and some other things made, and that's why we're here today.
Going down the list of supplies in order to summon our lovely fox demon: Dream Vision Creations, the snarly canine resin, head, eyes, and teeth, $280. A transparency to print up the eyes, $4, FedEx. Harpy and Hag duck cloth costume, $200. Armor from Red Falcon, $100. Dasu Dragon quiver and arm guard, $300. A fox skull from Etsy. It's a sea of random items. It's Etsy, $47. A flame sword for $103 from Forged Foam. The transparencies were just glued onto the back of the eyes and inserted into the resin mask, which was also primed in black paint. The markings were done as well in acrylic paint. It tends to dry hard, is waterproof, doesn't react to the sun as much. About 666 layers of that. I used epoxy sculpt to fill in the gaps between the eyes and the mask itself. Sprinkle a little blood from a virgin kitten or two, and you're all set to go.
And with the armor we've obtained from Dasu Dragon, which is on sale right now if you'd like to obtain your own, and soaking it in the blood of 100 virgin kittens, we are now ready to summon our fox demon. By the powers of darkness, by the demons of Selzar, through the fires of hell I invoke thee. Come forth and do thy bidding. Yes, he who summons the magic controls the magic, and that means I'm in control of you. Now, cook thy frozen pizza! Bark. Yes. Oh, darling. Oh, baby, come to me. Oh, yes. What are you still doing here? Get out of here. I'm done with thee. Be gone. Be gone.
Subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Comments, suggestions for topics and artwork are always welcomed. Commissions are currently open through my email in the description below. CraftyAndy at Patreon to support the show and get access to exclusive sketchbooks, digital downloads, early episodes. Currently I'm holding that at $2 a month. That is all. Be and stay creative.